Hi, this is Aksha. Today I'll be teaching you how to make barbecue chicken wings. You don't need to chop anything, you don't need to cut anything. All you need to do is have all your ingredients, that is your chicken wings and a lot of other sauces. So let me show you the ingredients. You have the chicken wings, we washed them, pat dried them, and we have the garlic powder. You have the W sauce, the Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, barbecue sauce. For barbecue chicken wings, you do require barbecue oil. It can be olive oil or you can have sunflower oil or groundnut oil, salt and garlic ginger paste. You could make fresh garlic ginger paste, but since I want to save time and I want to do a quick meal, like a quick starter for my family, I'm going to make use of the garlic ginger paste. So let's see how to do this. We start by washing and patting dry the chicken. In this we add garlic ginger paste. Since I have already added some initially, I will not be adding all of it. Then we add salt, all the salt. Garlic powder. W sauce, 2 spoons. Add the dark soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons. You can even add 2 tablespoons. So normally I would use a spoon, but I'm going to mix this with my hands. Remember to always wash your hands clean at all times, whether there's a pandemic situation or not. Mix it thoroughly well. Heat a pan. At the side you can see the chicken wings. They are marinated for 15 minutes. I would like to marinate them for about 2 to 3 hours. Looks like the pan is heated. Let's add the oil now. All the pieces of the chicken wings. Spread it nicely in the pan so that they cook evenly. You will get such a delicious fragrance out of these sauces. As soon as you put the chicken in, everyone at home is going to come running to see what exactly it is that you're making. You need to cook this for 3 minutes on each side. I'm just going to keep this evenly so that everything is cooked. Now let that cook. Now, so as you can see, we have turned the sides and it is nicely evenly cooked. We're going to add barbecue sauce. That's 1. Three tablespoons of the sauce. We're going to turn it around again. So that it cooks well in the sauce. As you can see, now the chicken is cooked on either side. We cooked it about 4 to 5 minutes on either sides. You can see the color, the beautiful color. And now we're going to nicely place them in a plate. Do not put it on a tissue or a kitchen napkin because we don't want to remove that oil, excess oil. We need that oil for it to be juicy. Once you take it out on the plate, you can place it like this. This is all ready. You can serve this with 17 different kind of sauces. So you can choose which sauce you would like to serve. Since I have already added the barbecue sauce while preparing this dish, I will not be serving it with any sauce but just by itself the way it is. If you want to make this a little bit spicier, you could add cayenne pepper or chili powder or chili flakes in the basic preparation while we do the marination. A lot of people don't like spice, don't like chili, but all those people who do, this is the tip that you need to use, is you need to add the cayenne pepper or the chili powder while you are marinating the chicken. Also, you could add chili sauce to this. If you do not want to add any powders, you could add a chili sauce to this for more spice. I hope you liked today's recipe. Please do comment below in the section if you would like me to make something special for you, or you would like me to teach you something, or you have any doubts with regards to what we make today. If you would like me to show you another variation of chicken wings, please do comment in the section below and I will try and make that for you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.